Hey y'all, what's up? I'm Everything Track. So you're new to the channel. I cover track and field content. So make sure you subscribe if you like track and field content. And also make sure you press notification bell so that way you don't miss out whenever content is released. So let's get on with the video. So this is the last installment of items that I bought for my camera right here. And this right here is the Canon M50 Mark II. Now, why am I doing this video as a track channel? Well, like I said previously, I just wanted to cover over products that I bought with my camera because I will be using my camera to do my vlogging now instead of my iPhone 12 that I'm currently using because it's a 64 gigabyte and it's just not enough room, especially when I was vlogging earlier in this year when I had my other channel that's now down. So I wanted better quality. I want to take pictures as well, people and stuff like that, like people that do sports and stuff. So at my school, I'm gonna see if I can take pictures of like the sport events, like the basketball and football. I don't really care too much about baseball and stuff, but especially track. And I want to do like interviews and stuff. So like when track comes around, I want to do interviews at my college as well with a lot of track athletes. I'm friends with like a good portion of them, coaching them. But anyways, that's why I bought this camera. And since I live in a hot state, I needed an ND filter. So what do I have today? All right, so as you can see, I have a K&F Concept B series filter, variable ND2-400 for 45 millimeter lens. So why did I get this? Well, the whole point of an ND filter is to help with the exposure of light. So I live in Mississippi, so it's hot outside. There's a lot of sunlight outside. So that's the reason I bought this. So I definitely need this, especially in this state. So what we're gonna do is, oh, by the way, it was $18.99 on Amazon, so you can get it off of Amazon. I got it on Amazon Prime Day last week, so this should definitely help. Let's see what it says right here. It says, you know, aviation aluminum, optical glass, and slim frame. All right, so K&F ND filter, concept filter. So we're gonna go ahead and open this and let's see how it looks on the camera. I'm gonna do a review. I'm gonna do some video footage of me using it. All right, so let's open it. I'll be right back. All right, we got the paper off. Now we're gonna go ahead and open the main part. So let's see how this works. All right, so it goes from the top and boom. All right, that's cool. It comes in this little case right here. Has the branding on there. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay. So here's the lens. Oh, it's bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, guys. So this is the lens right here. K&F Concept variable ND400 max. So you turn this right here. I don't know if you can see it from right here, but can you see it? Like, you see how it got darker and gets lighter? So that's how it's gonna work. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it on the camera. So I'm gonna give y'all a little tutorial. Ooh. Oh, that sucks. I'm not taking it out the video either. All right, there it goes. It's on. All right, so we're gonna do the review in here. So we're gonna go ahead and just do the review in here. All right, push to hold that. By the way, like I said before, this is the Canon M50 Mark II, a nice camera. I haven't had it that long, but as long as I have had it, it's a nice camera. So as you can tell, it's kind of blurry, right? I can already tell right now it's blurry. See how it gets darker? My finger's in the way, but see right there? Look at that. So let's go to see how far we can go up. So that's our max. All right, so now let's go to, look at that. See, it's too dark at the point where I have to raise my flash up. So that's how it works. like I said, it's just to help with shadows and overexposure, and it has the lines right here, so you can't tell, but on this side right here, that's where it has your max and minimum. So I don't have to do any outside testing. We all see how it works. It lets the light in, and it can take the light away, just like that. It's really dark. So there we go. So that's it. Like I said, the K and M concept filter, ND filter. This is the 45 millimeter one. So if you want it, it's $18.99. It's on Amazon, and yeah, it works. So that's all I'm glad about. I'm just glad it works. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna see y'all later. All right, peace.